Hey, what's up, people? It's Stephen Charles. I'm back at it again. I got some Cactus Jack, the Cactus Cross Corduroy Brown hat we're gonna check out, and then one of the Fragment Travis Scott t-shirts.
Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit.
Hey, I know it's been a while, but thanks so much for everybody who follows along. Thanks for everybody who subscribes, who hits that like button for this content, show it was helpful, or that you're cool with it, you know, that you're cool with me. I mean, I'm so busy right now with my move to Hawaii with the post office. It's just really dragging out, and I'm just getting my house all ready. As you can see, everything's boxed up, ready to go. I'm just waiting for that phone call for the government to give me my day that I'm gonna be going over there, and as I'm talking to you, I'm opening up the Cactus Cross Corduroy Brown hat. I'm pretty excited to check out. Honestly, I have not gotten... Oh, crap. Anyways. Okay. But, yeah, this one here, it is wrapped in plastic. The plastic... I'm going to set this down right there, too. Plastic has nothing written on it at all. Just... And in the box, nothing inside the box, so it just comes, just the hat. Got a piece of cardboard on the inside there. For our tags, 100% cotton. Made in Vietnam, what do you think? There you go, there's our tag. Made in Vietnam. And yeah, there we go. How do you like the logo? You like that? I honestly think that logo is kind of dope, really. Just that triangle, and then oh, there is a little Cactus Jack. Can you see that? Cactus Jack embroidery on the side. And it does bleed through into the backside, so be aware of that if you're legit checking this, if you want to make sure you get a real one. And it seems like it's just real corduroy, not backed or anything, so it's not going to be super thick, but it is pretty thick. I mean, look at that bill. That bill is thick, and I'm just going to take that out real quick. Trying to think, I'm probably going to be a little bit smaller than this one. This is actually a pretty good size hat. Like this, what is this? Undefeated Antisocial Social Club Paranoid cap. This was really dope. I was glad I was able to snag it when they dropped, but this one is a little bit of a smaller hat. It's not actually that small for a dad hat, but you'll see how this is almost like a trucker hat, I feel like. You guys be the judge. What do you think? Trucker-ish? Trucker-esque? What do you think? Do you like it? In the back here, just the snapback. You know, no graphics or anything, but a perfect cap to sit back and drink some cacti or something, eat some Reese's Puffs. I don't know what you're into. But yeah, dope hat. And it's not gonna match my shirt here. Well, at least not as well as this Real Tree crew neck right here. I mean, this thing is pretty dope. It's really nice and warm. Got it from the thrift store. Gotta be hunting the thrift stores every once in a while. All right, so Cactus Jack, what do you got for us? Which one is this? Ooh, nice. This is actually some puff print in here. Inside the bag, nothing. Just like Travis Scott. Here's our little tag down below. There you go for your information. You got some puff print already. You can see there. You got puff print all over this. Warning information. There's your label if you want to look at it. Oh, let's see. Can we get to it without tearing the plastic open? Almost. Yeah. Anyways, a standard, very normal looking Travis Scott back of the neck tag logo. And this is actually the one with the Fragment logo or whatever. It's across the whole back. So, I don't know, maybe I should open this up. You guys, you want me to open this up? Hit the like button right now. If you haven't already, hit the like button. I'll open this up for you guys, but you gotta hit that like button. I mean, I'm not gonna open it up unless you do. And what are you doing? Have you clicked it yet? I can't tell. Honestly, you need to hit the like button. I'll open this up. Okay, did you hit it? All right. I'm just gonna assume you did. And if you unclick the like button, then that is uncool. I'm gonna open this up. I actually do want to wear it, and I thought maybe it might be a little bit of a dirty white, but it does seem like it's pretty clean. I thought maybe it was a stone washed or something. But as we unfold it here, we do see it's pretty white. It has a nice boxy shape to it. The neckline, though, doesn't seem like it's too tight, but very, very wide. Look at that. Look how wide and how short it is. So this is a size large. And then on the back, This is actually kind of cool. I like all this puff print. I mean, you can barely tell that it's Fragment by the end. This is Travis Scott's drawing of Fragment. And then right below it, you have the Cactus Jack / Fragment. Manifest your dreams. Create your own world. Wear a fragment of the story. Izamiya, Japan. That's, oh, jeez. I am not pronouncing that right, probably, but okay, Houston, Texas. It is a fragment of your imagination, a place birthed from our minds. Cactus Jack / Fragment 21. Another Cactus Jack little logo down at the bottom. Look at that. It's just a little baby Cactus Jack logo. But yeah, look at this text up here that they put underneath the fragment. Who's ever gonna read that? That's just, not possible there. But hey, look, a better look at our tag here, which is really getting smashed by the puff print. This puff print is so thick on here, it's just bleeding through almost. So yeah, this is actually a pretty light shirt, which is great. And I was hoping it was going to be a little bit gray, but it's really not. All this blue here, that's all puff print, and then you have more of the Travis Scott's rendition of the Fragment logo across this. Another Cactus Jack down. What is that? Yeah, that's the bottom left. What do y'all think about that cream in the back? I really dug that. I thought that was one of the biggest selling points of this cream color in there. Oh look, up here, a once-in-a-lifetime collaboration. You can actually read that. Maybe that's what this one says on the back. No, probably not. It doesn't look like it's the right amount of letters or whatever. But yeah, you got your information down here about the apparel or whatever, your sizes. The L, which is my size, the large, is actually covered up by this Fragment design. But yeah, info, Cactus Jack Fragment, manifest your dreams, create your own world. We are a fragment of the story. Whatever you can imagine, you can create. That's an amazing message, very positive. Like, just go after your dreams, go after things you want to do. Like, I mean, I'm just a mailman, and I've been delivering mail in really, really cold weather, and I've just been dreaming about maybe delivering it in beautiful weather. And so I put in a transfer for Honolulu, hoping maybe, and yes, I got it. So I mean, I'm still waiting for that dream to become a reality. I'm just saying, like, chase it, dude. Like, just go after it. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna throw this on. You guys tell me, what do you think about it? Okay, yeah, so this one here, length is not super long on it. It has a nice width, a little bit wider than a regular size large. I would say it has a little bit extra. And then you've got that amazing puff print across the back. I can actually feel a little bit on my back, but it's not a big deal, and it has the tag list, so that's nice. I think it's gonna look good with shorts because it's not gonna be, too long. Sometimes if shirts are really long, then with shorts, it's just, I like to be able to see a little bit more of my shorts. So yeah, anyways, tell me what you guys think. Obviously, I don't think it works with this hat. Doesn't really work with this hat any better, so it's whatever. Thanks for checking out the t-shirt. Thanks for checking out the hat. Definitely stay positive. I'm just gonna keep delivering mail here in Great Falls, walking by my really good duck friends. I see them very often. They're really nice ducks just living in this guy's yard. I think they're his pets. I'm not sure how that works really. But and then yeah, this other dude, he's got all these cars that he's just spray painted in his yard. Keep walking by that house, kind of eerie. I feel like I could write a screenplay or a whole TV series based off this guy's house or something. I don't know. But I might have just been watching too much Breaking Bad, or I mean, that's over now. So now I'm watching Better Call Saul in the 3rd season, and I really need to not watch TV because I need to get the house going and everything moving, but then that can cause a lot of anxiety. Sometimes you do have to just take a minute, relax. I mean, I got a bunch of stuff done, and so I'm just gonna keep plugging away and not let stress take over. It really tries, it really does, especially when you're selling stuff. I didn't understand selling streetwear was so annoying. Seriously, people buy something and then they want to return it after they've received it, and I'm like, why did you even buy it if you didn't want it? So anyways, it's kind of weird, but I'm getting the swing of it. I'm getting used to it a little bit. Yeah, so love you all, and I will keep you posted on things in my life. Try and spread some positivity out there in this world. I know we need a lot of it. I mean, just this morning, me and my wife were going out. We're going to this 80s prom theme murder mystery with my sister and her husband. We were going around looking for costumes, and when we're in the parking lot, this lady just opens her door. It's crazy windy right now in the town that I live in. The wind slams her door open into the side of our new Impala. Yeah, it makes some emotions flare, and in the end, I was like, okay, you know what? We're just gonna leave it. I'm not gonna get any insurance involved. I don't want to deal with that. But it was nice to have myself more prepared mentally, just because I think about maybe acting more kindly to people. So I took a moment just to, you know, calmly talk to them, and then they a little bit calmed down, and then ended up, they did apologize for, you know, letting the wind carry their door. They're gonna try not to do it in the future, and that's really all I can ask. Like, seriously, if you can just apologize for like putting a dent in the side of my car, because literally it was not that deep, I guess, but it seemed like it at the time. I don't think it's gonna buff out though. It's a little bit too deep to do that. But yeah, so me and Abby had a little fun run in there. I should have recorded a little bit of that, but maybe I'll start recording some of that kind of content again in the future, like just my regular life kind of things, you know, in between getting items in and showing you wash tags and all that kind of stuff. But for now, I'm gonna record when I can. So thank you again for hanging with me. The future is bright. It's gonna be amazing. We're gonna be looking at so many pictures of oceans. It's gonna be great. You guys can join me on that adventure as I just kind of transition. And yeah, I love you all, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
About to have a party in the hood. Ain't work but a snack, one trying to get a meal. Ever since it changed my life, I'ma walk that walk, one trying to get it right. Trying to do right now. If it working.